Let's go over how to print a report in the Slimrate POS system using your tablet. First, unlock your tablet. The main screen will open. In the bottom left corner, find the button with the icon of 3 lines. Tap it to open the main menu. Now look again at the bottom left and tap the Print Report button. A pop-up window will appear in the center of the screen called Print Report. Just below, there's a switch where you can choose this tablet or all tablets. If your store has only one tablet, leave it set to this tablet. Next, you'll see 3 options: Current Shift, Today, Select Date and Time Range. Tap Current Shift to print a report for the current work shift, from opening time to now. Tap Today to print a report for the entire day, from midnight to the present moment. If you need a report for a specific period, select Date and Time Range and enter the dates and times you need. If your store has multiple tablets and you want a report for all of them, just switch from this tablet to all tablets. Then follow the same steps, choose Shift, Day, or Date Range, and print the report you need. That's it! Printing reports in Slimrate POS is quick and easy.